If you really want to care for your health as a whole, it's very important to take care of your nervous system. It's important to keep your nerves and neurons in good shape. Unfortunately, this is something that many people don't think about. One way to do this is to make sure your body is getting the vitamins and nutrients it needs. In this video, we'll talk about some of the most important things that are important for the health of your nervous system. Just a quick warning, we are not doctors. This video is just for informational purposes. The first one we should talk about is omega-3, which is a fatty acid found naturally in some foods. Unfortunately, our bodies don't make omega-3 on their own, so we have to get them from the foods we eat. Omega-3s are known to lower the risk of heart disease and other health problems, but many people don't know that they can also help the nervous system. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids work to repair nerve damage after an injury. They may also help people with diabetic neuropathy, as increasing omega-3 intake help with nerve damage in the eyes of people with type 1 diabetes. Chia seeds and walnuts are also good sources. Next, vitamin B12 is often thought of an energy booster, but it is also good for your nerves. It helps the body make DNA, which keeps the nerve cells healthy. If your body doesn't have enough vitamin B12, nerve problems like tingling and numbness in the hands and feet can happen. Fatigue is another sign of vitamin B12 deficiency, feeling in the hands, feet, and legs, and trouble walking. Not to worry, many popular foods like meat, fish, milk, cheese, and eggs are full of vitamin B12. Next, vitamin B6 is another important vitamin that you must get from outside sources. When it comes to the nervous system, vitamin B6 helps make neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that come from nerve cells and send important messages to other parts of the body. Vitamin B6 also helps make myelin, which is a substance that protects nerve cells. Getting enough of this vitamin in your diet is important. Chickpeas, bananas, breakfast cereal, salmon, chicken, and rice are among the many things that are high in vitamin B6. Next, acetyl L-carnitine is a substance that helps our bodies make energy. Many people don't know that it has also been shown to help people with neuropathy. One study found that acetyl L-carnitine helped reduce pain in people with diabetic neuropathy and carpal tunnel syndrome. Although our bodies make it naturally, we can also get it from foods like cod, chicken, beef, whole wheat bread, and asparagus. Curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric, comes in at number 5. Turmeric, a spice in the ginger family, is best known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin also seems to be good for the nervous system. A study showed that several of its components protect the nervous system and can help people with diabetic neuropathy. More research is needed, but early results are promising. Next, alpha-lipoic acid is an antioxidant that has been shown to help people with metabolic syndrome control their blood sugar levels. When it comes to the nervous system, alpha-lipoic acid has been shown to help people with multiple sclerosis, which is a long-term disease that damages the nerves' protective covering. Alpha-lipoic acid also works to reduce the pain, numbness, and tingling sensation that can come with diabetic neuropathy. If you want to increase your alpha-lipoic acid intake, you can consider eating more spinach, broccoli, potatoes, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and beets. Next up on our vitamin D list is none other than vitamin D. This essential vitamin has many different roles in the body, but is most known to promote calcium absorption and mineralization so that your bones can grow strong and healthy. People don't realize that vitamin D also affects the nervous system. Studies have found that vitamin D deficiency can put people at higher risk for neurological diseases such as schizophrenia, Alzheimer's disease, and multiple sclerosis. Research has also shown that people who already have multiple sclerosis may have less severe symptoms when their bodies are provided with adequate levels of vitamin D. Your body can take in vitamin D directly from sunlight, or you can get it from your diet by eating foods like salmon, tuna, milk, eggs, and mushrooms. But while we have already covered some of the best vitamins for your nerves, maybe you're a bit confused. Maybe you're not even familiar with the term neuropathy. So let's briefly talk about exactly what it is. The peripheral nervous system connects the nerves in the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. This is how signals from your brain can reach your arms, hands, legs, feet, and internal organs. If your nerves are damaged or destroyed, this is called neuropathy. Neuropathy, also called peripheral neuropathy, is a disorder that happens when your nerves aren't working properly. It causes weakness in your arms, hands, legs, feet, and internal organs. Your doctor or medical professional will be able to recommend the most appropriate treatment methods for this condition. However, hopefully, some of the tips that you learn in this video can help as well. Real quick guys, do me a favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. I hope you like the information that was shared in this video and hopefully you're now one step closer to protecting your nerves and taking better care of your nervous system. As always, this video is for informational purposes only. Please speak with your doctor before taking any new vitamins or supplements because they will know more about your individual condition. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day.